I don't know, maybe. Maybe we'll play it out that way.
Okay, sounds good.
How's that?
That sounds good.
Alright.
Okay.
Just gotta crack my beer.
The teeth, the tongue, the tips of the lips. The teeth, the tongue, the tips of the lips. D.
Alright. And are we going? Are we just so quiet.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, don't sing it. I can't hit that buttery smooth note that my boy Jason hits there. What's up, everybody? I'm Peas with
Fader.
Guitar. We got Fader over here.
How's it going?
We got
A pretty simple one.
we do. It's a very simple song. This is probably right up there with some of the easiest ones we've done. We got Jason Aldean, his newest one.
When did this come out?
You Make
Just
It
like a month
Easy.
ago?
Yeah, it's a month or two.
Yeah.
Something like that. It's probably been out for 3 months, but now we're just starting here. But this is a pretty straightforward song. This is about as easy as it gets. This is 4 chords, and this is the 4 probably most popular chords you're gonna learn, or most common beginner chords that you're gonna learn when you're just playing guitar. So I'm gonna show you how to play it what I would consider the easy way. Kyle's gonna show you how to do it a little bit more intricate or a little bit more technical, I guess.
Sure.
But really, it's just you got your G, you got your D, you got an E minor, and then you got a C. And then it changes it up about halfway through. No, that's it, through the whole song.
Is that? Are you sure there's not like an A?
Nope, that's it.
What about the part where he...
There is no part that does that.
Oh no, it is. It's just C, D, E minor.
So it's just G, C, D, E minor. It's got kind of a cool strumming pattern.
It does.
A little bit different. But yeah, that's just it. It's just G. E minor. C. Now I'm doing C add 9 here, but you can do a C major. It gives it a little bit brighter sound.
It does.
And I think it goes well with the song, but if you're not good enough to do that just yet, just go ahead and do the C add 9. Nobody's gonna notice.
Nobody's gonna notice. It sounds sparkly, pretty. So now we were talking earlier about like the strut kind of that the song has. So it does kind of have like this, like, I don't know, everybody always calls things like this like a jostle, a come along, like a little rocking along to it, you know, like a horse trotting or something. Yeah. Like, but he has this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting is really important when it comes to like strumming patterns and stuff. So, and that's probably what the most common question we get ever. So that's probably a good foundation to start on if you're trying to like get this strumming pattern down. Is a 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just. And then when you get to the chorus, just play it out. 1, 4, 1, 4. You hear the emphasis on that? So without getting too far technical into it, this actually is a really good example of like how to like utilize strumming pattern, because like the thing that happens with strumming is you have an emphasis on the strength of like a down hit or an up hit, and that's what creates that kind of like it looks like you're doing more than what you're doing because your fingers are just on a G, and it's like, how does he make it sound so, you know, well there's a lot, most of it's coming from here.
Yep.
You know?
Exactly.
So
it's almost like you're drumming. This is all about timing and keeping that time and
emphasis.
Yep. Is a little emphasis on
emphasis
there.
is a very, very, like, that's what they call it in guitar. It's nuance. The subtle nuances of somebody's guitar playing makes all the difference in the world.
Absolutely.
So yeah, obviously we just turned, like, you know, a 4-chord song, the most complicated fucking thing in the whole world.
Well, that's it. Just G.
There you
got
go.
your regular G. You got your D major. You got an E minor 7, or you can do regular E minor, and then you just got a C, and you can do whatever C you want. If you want to do C9 or C major, it's up to you. So that's it.
That's pretty much it, guys.
Thanks for watching. We love you guys.
Love
subscribe if you like our videos. If you don't, then don't subscribe. We're
Yeah,
okay.
then
We're
don't subscribe.
okay with this.
Or tell your friends to come like us because you didn't like us.
Yeah.
We want to get to 10,000 subscribers by next year. Help us out.
Thanks a lot. All right, I see the battery light flashing. So
Oh shit, I'm Fader.
let's play them out. And
Okay.
I'm Peas.
Battery's not dead yet. Let's pretend it died right now.